The curriculum, CISCOM comprises 4 modules, and they cover the body of knowledge from beginning to the end. Module 1 lays the foundation for the further study, and it has all the planning processes, including sales and operational planning, master scheduling, so on and so forth. Organizing, the module 2 has the structure, infrastructure and structure, channels, complexity, diversification, and it also has scenario simulation and optimization practices in Excel spreadsheets. Module 3 has all the nuts and bolts building blocks, CRM, SRM, warehousing, manufacturing processes, and all that. Module 4 focuses on growth, on improvement. It has the sustainability growth model and benchmarking best practices, and an overview of just-in-time, lean, Six Sigma, theory of constraints, leadership and transformation, and more concepts. A case study caps the review.